Nobody wants to talk about this product, but everybody who travels with kids, deals with motion sickness, know exactly why these need to exist. And thanks to Hafer for sending this over for a video. He sent me a couple of these. So this is one of those products nobody puts on their shopping list until it's too late. So these now live in my glove box. I'd rather have them and never use them than need them and not have them, which is the whole point of a product like this. So it's got a 2000 milliliter capacity, and that matters first because that's a generous size. When someone is sick in an emergency situation, the last thing you want is a bag that isn't big enough. These are designed with real capacity, so you're not in an anxious situation wondering if it's going to be enough. And so it's leak resistant. Construction is the other non-negotiable. A bag that leaks in a car in your hand on the way to a trash can, that's a disaster layered on top of an already unpleasant situation. The seal on these holds, the material is thick enough that it's not going to give out under the weight of the contents, which is exactly the reliability you need in a moment like this. They open quickly, which matters more than you think. When someone needs one of these, they need it right now. It's got a flat design also, means they store easily in a glove box, purse, a diaper bag, a backpack, a travel bag. They take up almost no space until you need them. So who specifically should have these on hand? Like I just mentioned, anyone who travels regularly with kids who get car sick, pregnant women dealing with morning sickness who are out of the house, anyone who personally experiences motion sickness on long drives, flights, boat trips, caregivers, parents, road trippers. Honestly, anyone who spends a lot of time in a vehicle should have a couple of these somewhere accessible. Glove box, diaper bag, travel bag, purse. Pick your spot. Put a couple in there right now before you need them. The Hafer bags are well made, properly sized, and leak resistant, enough to handle a real emergency. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review. If you want to see more products like this, click this video right here. I think you'll like it.